Hello and welcome to Gaslands UK Car of the Month for February 2021. Today we're going to be checking out all the entries and announcing the winners. The prizes are sponsored by NorthstarFigures.com. Go check them out if you're looking for anything Gaslands related to modify your vehicles with figures and guns, and they even have bikes and stuff, so go check them out. First up, we got Amanda Ferrari. She's taken that little car and turned it into this big behemoth here. And by the way, the theme this month is bootleggers. So that looks like there's some kind of alcohol making kit there in the back. A lot of household items, really cool and original stuff used on this vehicle. It's a very nice job, Amanda. And she also added some LED lights there in the back. Really cool. Next up, we got Andrew Feeney, who turned this Shell Petroleum truck into a bootlegging delivery truck. A nice little minigun there in the back. I like the way it's not rust, it's kind of like liquid that's dripping down the sides there. Looks like maybe one of the canisters opened or whatever. So really nice job on the rust and the color. Really nice diorama as well, so good job on that. Next we got Andy Horton, who turned this Cadbury truck into this tank all-terrain delivery vehicle with a shotgunner on the side there. Really nice. I just wish there was more lighting when these pictures were taken, and maybe take the pictures horizontally. It would make for easier viewing on everyone. Next we got Bart Van Schaik, turned this pink truck into this speedster looking delivery vehicle. Got the guy in the back there drunk out of his mind for sure, drinking homemade booze. Got a shotgun. I like the random panelings and metallic stuff on the sides there, really cool. Good job on this one. Next we got Benjamin Pop, and he's taken this Winnie the Pooh truck. I love that, it's so cool. A bit curvy there. It's got a minigun in the back, ready to kill whatever's coming their way. Try to steal that booze, not gonna get very far. I really love the curvature and the nice red inside of the car. Really nice job on the trailer here. Next up we got Chris Johns, who turned this Royal Mail truck into this really cool looking armored delivery truck with a nice ram in the front. I like the rust on this. It's really rusted. You could barely see the blue underneath there. It's got a double machine gun or double Tommy gun on the top of the roof there. Really nice work. Next we got Christoph Pyre with this Lamborghini. So he changed the tires, so it's not going to be that fast. It's Lamborghini on tanks. And yes, I believe that is an R2D2 on the back canister there. I like the connection there with the tube and everything. I hope that's removable. That would be cool if you could actually separate these two parts of the vehicle. Really nice job. Next we got Dan Kraus with this big rig, which is actually something I'm doing in my next video. The exact same truck. This is Rusty's Bootleggers. I love the tires, the big fat tires. It comes with a hovercraft. That's a really cool thing too. Get those delivery done to people who live in the swamps and are hard to get to. They are armed and ready to protect and defend this truck. A lot of cool details. They got a harpoon on there, some extra gas. I like the mesh netting on the side. Really nice job. Next we got Fred Wyver, who has this oh man, these guys are seriously playing with fire, because they're full of alcohol and they're using flamethrowers as their defense system. Really cool. Love the fire coming out of these pipes. Nice detailed work on the figures too. and love the colors. The tires are a really nice job on this one. Next we got Jacob Harris, who turned this Fiesta car into this really cool Mad Max looking thing with tractor tires taken right off tractors, and that looks really cool. It's got the wooden box in the back holding those cans, I believe, of bootleg. So he doesn't bottle them, he cans his bootleg. It's probably really thick, like maple syrup, so it's probably has no choice to can them. I really like the details on the side of this this canister here, and even the bullet holes. Really nice attention to detail. Next we got Justin Wells, who turned this toilet looking truck into this beautiful delivery truck with missiles as a means of defense. And I like the dirt on this. Did you actually like put dirt on it? Is that just dirt? If you did, let us know in the comments, because that's pretty cool. And I like the inside. You can actually see the bottles there. Really nice job. Next we got Justin Wells, who's turned this 50s looking bus into this sandstorm killer. It's got a cannon on the top, crazy ram in the front, and it's also towing a boat to make sure it's get its deliveries done to whoever is out there in the swamps. Really nice job on this one. Next we got Keith Boisvert, who turned this classic into a machine of destruction. Like, this thing has almost everything. It's got a ram, it's got guns in the front, it's got guns on the side, it's got a ram in the back, it's got a harpoon on the top, it's got barbed wire, and I really like that metal tube going all along, and that exhaust at the bottom. A really nice job. Next we got Kilgore MJ, who's turned this orange car in obviously the General Lee. What can we say about this? It's the General Lee, right? It's upgraded. It's got missile launchers now. And if you guys play with the jump rules of Gaslands, then this one probably would do pretty well with those rules. Nice job. Next we got my Sage Metrak. Sorry, I probably butchered that name, but the work is really nice. It's a nice diorama with the barn and everything. It's kind of like a movie scene. You can actually see what's going on here. These are really nice pictures, really nice detailed stuff. The flower sacks on the top there just makes me want to loot them. I play way too much Elder Scrolls. But moving on, these are amazing work here. Really nice colors. The paint job is perfect. Just wish it had a bit more guns. Next up we got Matt Andrews, who turned this hot rod into this this thing that looks like it's got personality, but like deadly personality. Even the car looks mean, you know, like it has that look like I'm coming for you and we are undead, and it is scary and intimidating, and I would not want to mess around with these guys. Next up we got Matt Reeves, who turned this pickup truck, Bigfoot kind of looking thing, into a party wagon of crazy dudes who are gonna do whatever it takes to deliver this to you. They got harpoons in the back, barbed wire, Molotovs, submachine guns on the top there, a ram. You don't want to mess with these guys, and it's a really nice job. Next we got Mattis Zager, who turned this classic old looking car into a tank driven by pigs, if I see that correctly. Yeah. Pigman. Probably not a pigman, probably a mask, but still pretty scary looking. The rust job on this is amazing, and the little pet in the back there helping him make the deliveries. Nice job. Next we got Nick Kitch, and he turned those cars into this big rig USA MAGA hat wearing guys for sure, and I like the flag on the truck. That's all hand painted and really nice work on the top there. The wood looks real. It's got bullet holes, and you got the guy on top with binoculars making sure he's got every side covered, and it's a really nice job. Next we got Nick Woodruff turned this sheriff truck into this 7-Up delivery truck. I guess 7-Up is rare now, and it's probably just as good, and if not better than some of the bootleg out there. And who knows, I mean, if you buy bootleg, you might want to mix it with the 7-Up, right? So this guy's got a niche market, and he's done a great job. Congrats on this one. Next we got Nikos Murmur, who turned this mighty little truck into this mighty big bottle turned cannon, I guess, bootleg truck. Pretty cool. That ram looks seriously scary, and yeah, this guy probably shoots Molotovs out of that cannon. I like the chain work on there, really nice. Next we got Paul Chapman Ross, turned this classic old vintage car into a scary war machine. That minigun, look at those bullets. Those are huge bullets, like the size of one of these guys' arms, so you don't want to get shot by that minigun at all. I like the engine there, really nice work on these bottles and pipes, really detailed stuff. And even the driver needs to shoot once in a while. Next we got Spooky S. Boneman, who turned this Dodge truck into a spooky looking thing. This thing looks like it's glowing in the dark when it's not. It's really cool paint job. And you got the guy there looking inside, holding a Molotov. Got a driver and a guy in the back. It is truly a spooky thing to look at. Next we got Terry Marshall, the Murder Shed. Turned this truck into a shed on wheels, and it's a scary shed, inviting kids to go inside and play with the tools. It's not something, look at that blood streak there, that's not something you want to try to visit or have an open house of. I would love to see this on a table, on an actual table. It looks like terrain at the same time, so it might confuse the other player and forget that he's there and then just get shot by it. Really nice job. I love this entry. Next we got William Young, who took a bunch of cars and mashed them all up and came up with this thing. Double engine, super elongated. Is that even a word? Elongated? I don't know. But it's really colorful, and it's got the barrels in the back, it's got the guns, it's defended, and nice little dirt on the tires there. And there we have it. Those are the entries for Car of the Month for February 2021, and I hope you've seen something that inspires you. Now let's see what Northstar has chosen as the winners, but first they'd like to mention Amanda Ferrari for her originality in her build here. It's really cool that there's all these household items, like wherever you look you always see something new and you're like, I might have that lying around in the house, I'll go use it. So nice job. In second place we got Bart Van Schaik with this Speedster. You win a bunch of figures, bootleg figures from Northstar Games, and can't wait to see you use them in your next builds and entries, so congratulations. And for first place winner we got Fred Wyver, the Crazy Flamethrower Bootleggers. You win a sprue from Northstar Games and every figure on their website, so that's pretty insane. Congratulations, and you know what, you deserve it. It's really cool. The fire, I wish you would let us know how you make that fire. I'm super interested. So anyways, congratulations. Thanks for watching Car of the Month for February, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've seen some things that might have given you some ideas. And if you do play Gaslands and want to support the channel, you could go buy our dice. We have gates, templates, and we also sell 3D printed stuff like engines, rams, and guns. So all that is on our Etsy page in the description of the video. And if you're in the UK, Northstar Games has a bunch of stuff you should go check out as well. And if you want to enter these competitions, go to the Gaslands UK Facebook page and also the Gaslands TV Facebook page. So there's a contest there monthly, and you can follow Gaslands TV on Instagram as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. It's really appreciated, and I'll see you next time.